Welcome back to The Wolf and the Melody. My name is Tommy, and tonight we are checking out Abbath. A lot of people say Abbath, but yo, I'm excited for this because I saw them live this year, and it was just it was fucking awesome, dude. He is he's incredible, dude. Like live, the just such an amazing, fun show. The energy was unreal, and just the theatrics and the music was so good. So I was like, dude, I gotta do a video, and yeah, so we're checking out Dream Call. This came out 2 years ago, and I gotta tell this really great story about him because it was just at the end of the show, and it was at Maryland Death Fest, and me and some friends, we were walking behind the stage to go back to where we were hanging out. And Abbath and the band, they were all in the van and they were getting ready to go. And my friend who was walking by, he said, "Hey, do you think we could get a picture?" And it was right when the door was still open. And I guess the guy who was driving the van or security was like, it's shut the door. Abbath fucking opened the door back up and he said, "Yeah, come here, let's get a picture." And that was just awesome to me. It was just so endearing and fucking cool, and it just makes me so proud to be a metalhead. Because here's this dude who just put on this awesome show, tired as hell, sweaty as hell, and he still was in that place of wanting to give to the fans, give to the people that enjoy his music. And I was like, I enjoyed the show, man. The concert was fucking awesome. That put it over, man. I was like, this guy is just he's awesome, dude. And so we're gonna check this out. And yeah, if you are new to the channel, I don't really consider it like a typical reaction channel. I view it more like I'm sitting down with my friends and we're checking out the song Dream Call, and we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about life. We can talk about anything. I wanted to build a community where people who love music can come together and we can just share our stories. I want you to know that you're safe here and that you're heard and that you are important. The world's crazy, but music can bring us together. So even if we don't agree on everything and we don't see eye to eye, we can still be respectful and kind. And yeah, so here we go. Let's check this out. Oh. Yeah. Hell yeah, dude. Fucking love him, dude. the freaking energy, man. Let me tell you. Listen, you may not even really be big into like black metal or anything, but I'm telling you, being there and like seeing this energy live and feeling it being poured out was unreal. To me personally, it was so much fun. It was such a good time, dude. And one of the great things that was like really hyped me up was people were just slamming into each other, and then you would just see people just embrace. Somebody would get slammed real good, and then there'd be this big smile across their face, and there was such a sense of community and love in the chaos, and you could feel that here. Like the song just carries an energy that he really brings, you know, and I just feel joy. I feel joy. I feel happiness. You know, seeing this, and it takes me back to that show and how special it was, and I tell you, it's just been a wild ride of music on this channel and just the stuff that we've experienced. And I really hope that you felt that same kind of energy through this, even if you're like I said, a lot of us can struggle, you know with getting into black metal, but I think there's certain bands that have an ability to kind of pull you in and help you, get into it. And what's great about this is it had a nice like heavy metal like sound to it, that you could be somebody who's like, maybe not really into black metal, but the way the guitars are and the riffs are, this could kind of pull you in, and kind of help you. Yeah. I'm super excited to see this and share this with you. And yeah, y'all, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for being a part of this community and going down this road with me and making memories. I appreciate it. If you'd like to connect with me, you could find me over on Instagram. Come say what's up. And I appreciate you all so much for being here. Keep your head up. I know a lot of us are going through hard times in life, and we can feel alone. Again, if you need to chat, you need to talk, sometimes you just need somebody to listen to you. You don't even need advice. Just You just need a sounding board. Reach out. Stay lovely, stay metal, and until next time, we'll be back with another reaction.